Hi, good morning to everyone. Today we'll study a case study of a person who has a shoulder injury since many years. So let me put it to you. What's your name, sir?
अखिल
अखिल.
क्या
अखिल सर, आपको कितने सालों से शोल्डर इंजरी है
फ्रॉम 10 to 12 years
और ये आपको शोल्डर इंजरी कैसे आई?
एग्जैक्टली पता नहीं. आई यूज टू प्ले फुटबॉल एंड क्रिकेट स्पोर्ट्स इंजरी मे बी स्पोर्ट्स इंजरी एंड आई यूज टू डू जिमिंग ऑल्सो बट मे बी हो सकता है जिमिंग में मुझे प्रॉब्लम हुआ था थोड़ा शोल्डर में तो सम पोस्चर में गॉन रॉन्ग और समथिंग लाइक दैट.
कभी
मालूम नहीं है क्या हुआ था.
कभी डॉक्टर के पास करेक्शंस के लिए फिजियोथेरेपिस्ट के पास करेक्शन किया था आपने कभी?
फिजियोथेरेपिस्ट के पास किया था.
हाँ.
थोड़ा ठीक हुआ था बट टोटली रिकवर नहीं हुआ था.
ओके. सो अखिल सर का ऐसा इंजरी है, 10 साल पहले का इंजरी है. ऑन एंड ऑफ इंजरी आती जाती रहती है, नॉकिंग फील होता है शोल्डर में. उनको फिजियोथेरेपी भी की थी, बट somebody who wants to be active but is not able to because of a shoulder injury. So I will be today giving you 3 good exercises which anyone can do it easily to bulletproof their shoulders. Very good 3 exercise, fantastic 3 exercises, and which is very affordable and easy to do it. You can do this exercise even at your home with the minimal of expense. So the first exercise which I'm going to teach you today is with the band. So you get this kind of a band which is for 100 rupees, 150 rupees on Amazon, anything. Yeah, you take this. This is 2 to 3 kilo resistance, extra light. So the first exercise which is going to be is, so take it on your fist. Yeah, you do it in the fist. Now bring the elbow back. This is not even a starting position. The starting position is this. So when the person is holding this band, first thing first, drop the hand down. So this is the starting position. The first thing first, the scapula should be downward. ये scapula नीचे की तरफ होना चाहिए and हल्का सा retract होना चाहिए. Not too much. Let's say 1 centimeter. Once this is a standing position, do not arch your back too much. Keep your back neutral. Take your hand 90 degree. Elbow bend at 90 degree. Fist neutral. And then give a nice extension. ठीक है? Now you'll see the elbows are not touching the body. His shoulders are nicely erect. He'll hold this for 10 count. Let's say 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 and come back. Now this is the one variation, the first variation you will follow. Now I'll be giving the second variation. Again, the starting position is downward. So I want you to be relaxed before you start. The shoulders should be retract downward and little retracted. Bend the elbow at the 90 degree. I want you to make sure the fist is out and the shoulder upright. Make sure the fist and the elbow is in one line. So this is in one line. Yeah. Breathe in, breathe out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Come back. This is the second variation. Now, how do you felt it, sir? Good. So, ये 2 एक्सरसाइजेस ये कोशिश करेगी कि आपके पोस्टीरियर डेल्टॉइड, मिडिल डेल्टॉइड एंड एंटीरियर डेल्टॉइड, ये 3 डेल्टॉइड्स को हमको स्ट्रेंथन करना है. So, this is the second one. Now, I will advise people who have a shoulder injury, please do not do this rotational movement of your shoulder. Please do not do the rotational, right? Also make sure do not lift heavy weight on the shoulder. If you have an injury, range of motion available नहीं, आपका range of motion नहीं कर पा रहा है, ले नहीं पा रहा है, pain आ रहा है, please don't do it. Stop there. Now, we'll go to the third exercise. The third exercise, please allow me, is on the ball. Come, sir. So basically, a simple ball, you keep it on the wall, face them. A shoulder level pe. Now, he's going to stand nice and erect. His neck is neutral. He's putting a good amount of a pressure on the palm. Now, he will do 1 inch up and 1 inch down. He is not pressing by his finger, he's pressing by his middle palm, center of the palm. So let's say 5 count. 3. You do 10 times. This is a demonstration, so we'll do 5 times. But at home, I want you to do it for 10 times. And then 5 times. In and out. Forward and backward. So this will make sure the rotary cuff muscles is not directly getting affected, but it is also getting affected, and all your deltoids, connecting joints, ligaments, tendons, soft tissues have been taken care of. So this you do. Thank you. Now what I wanted you to do is this ball, correct, you do it. Make sure you're not standing leaning on the ball. So here, do not lean like this. Make sure your base is nice. Stand steady. Make sure your palm is in the shoulder, is in the palm line, shoulder line. Do not drop your head to one side or tilt your neck. Keep your neck neutral. You can have the hand on the waist. Look straight. Gently put a pressure. Make sure that you are straight. You are not bending. You are not laterally moving yourself, your hip. And then from here, keep that pressure. The more pressure you will put, you will feel intense on your shoulder. Even if you don't move, you will feel intense on your shoulder. After here, you do 1 centimeter up and down. Up and down. This you do 10 times. And then sideways, inward. Sideways, inward 10 times. This, on one hand you do 3 times. On the opposite hand you do 3 times. 3 sets of this. And those 2 exercises, 3 sets. And yeah, have a good shoulder and a strong shoulder. See you.